Talk to me.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LACHELLETRENDS, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review / install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yes, sis, let's jump into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Samsbeauty, and they sent over this unit right here. So this is a Sensationnel unit. I feel like that's pretty much all I've been getting from Samsbeauty lately, and I've been loving Sensational. Like, normally I'm like a Bobby Boss girl, but lately Sensational has had my heart. But yeah, so let's pull her out. Ooh, okay, Sensational. But okay, let me finish pulling all of this out. Ooh, okay, sis, she is very pretty. Okay, so we have Sensational's Butta lace unit in the style Ocean Wave, 30 inches, and in the color 1B. It says it has virtual HD lace that's undetectable, human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density. So this is the stock card, and then this is the inside, and it just shows you the colors and everything that I just read off. And then the back shows you how good the lace is, basically. But yeah, girl, she is giving me body-addy, like it says. It's very pretty. Let me show you the hairline. And as you can see, it does have the baby hairs as they said. And then there is the part. And we'll go in the inside, and you see the 5-inch deep parting space. So it gives you a little bit of room to part, you know, to get a straight part for yourself. It then has 2 combs, one on either side, as well as a bottom comb with adjustable straps. So girl, do we have a, no, we don't. So yeah, that is what we are looking like. One more time for the curl pattern. It says Ocean Wave. What is it? Ocean Wave. So girl, Ocean Wave curls, basically. Very cute. It says 30 inches. We gon' see. But yeah, let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, sis, so I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm mixing those 2 brown shades and putting it all over the lace. To lay my wig down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray that along the hairline and then blow dry it in. Y'all, I'm just contemplating whether or not I want to glue down the sides. I haven't been gluing down my sides lately just because I've been feeling like the closure wig style. But anywho, sis, now I'm going to go in and tip my lace using that Black Radiance contour palette once again just to get a better blend. And then after I get it to my liking, I'm going to go back in using some more Got To Be Glue free spray and then blow dry it in a second time. And this is just going to create a perfect melt. So now I'm going to go in and clean up the part. You guys already know that this is a 5-inch deep parting space wig, so you can only do a middle part. But yeah, I'm just cleaning it up, and then I'm going to go in using my hot comb just to lay down the hair and flatten out the part. So now for these baby hairs, I'm just going to take some hair out on the side, and then I'm going to cut them and then curl them with my little flat iron, and then to lay them down, I'll be using some more Got To Be Glue free spray. So now I'm going back in with some more Got To Be Glue free spray. I promise you this is your best friend, sis, especially if you don't have a wax stick. But yeah, I'm just spraying that and brushing that through my hair, and then I'm going to use my hot comb again and just get it to lay as flat as I can. Now I'm going in using some oil sheen and just putting this throughout the entire hair. This is going to add moisture, some shine, and just, girl, it's really going to help this unit. Just trust, it's going to help. So we're just about done. I'm going to go in with that Black Radiance Contour Palette one more time just to clean up the front, add some powder to the part and to the hairline once again, and then yeah, we're about to be done. Okay, sis, so this is what we ended up looking like. Super cute. I love the curl pattern. Like, y'all, these ocean waves are super pretty. Girl. And y'all, this is all of the hair pulled up to the front. It's super thick and full. But yeah, girl, let me turn around so you can see the back. Y'all, hopefully it didn't look crazy because it probably did. But anyways, oh well, let me show you the length. And it goes down to my butt, so it probably is 30 inches or whatever, because at first, you know, I did kind of doubt it because it wasn't looking long or whatever, but it does look like 30 inches. So yeah, girl, let me just pull it up. Girl, pull my shirt down. But anyway, sis, so let's get into these details. So it is big hair friendly. It fits comfortably on my head. I didn't struggle. Perfect fit. So yes, it does get a big hair friendly pass. The texture of this unit, y'all, this texture is like thick. I wouldn't say coarse, but it does have like that blowout texture feel, but you can still feel the human hair blend. It's not synthetic-y at all. It's just super thick. You do get tangles, you do get shedding, but the shedding is not a lot. It is, but it isn't. But it really isn't. I don't even know if that makes sense. But if you're playing with it and running your fingers through, you will get some shedding. But if you're just leaving it alone, it's not like hair is just shedding. So, but yeah, y'all, it is super thick hair. Adding the oil sheen like I did was a must. Like, girl, it was definitely a must to add that oil sheen because it is a little bit dry, so that oil sheen gives it moisture, it softens it up and just loosens everything up, y'all. So I would definitely add the oil sheen. This is one of those units where I would just finger comb it, but if you had to comb it, which if you are like in the environment, you go outside or whatever, you definitely would need to carry a comb with you, and I would comb it with a wide tooth comb instead of a paddle brush. I feel like a paddle brush would just expand the hair and make it bigger, and not only that, I just feel like it'll do more damage than good. So you see how it is just a little snags or whatever, and definitely because of the length, yeah, because right now I'm getting some snags, but because of the length, this is one of those units that will last maybe 2 weeks, if that, with good care, because it's so long, it's super thick, it needs a little bit of moisture, it's a little dry, so it's just going to be a little harder to manage this unit, but it's definitely pretty. So I would wear this for like an event and then take it off. This would just be like an event wig instead of like a everyday wig, because girl, if it's every day, if you're wearing this every day, a week and a half tops. And yeah, the lace, now the lace, y'all, in person I can't see the lace, but it just depends on how I move my head. Like right now I can see the lace, I can see the lightness or whatever, I can see it. But if I'm like bent down like this, I'm like, ooh, it melted very nicely. So I don't know, I'm in between with the lace and how it melted, but in person, sis, it looks really good. The hairline looks good. I like that they pre-plucked it because it's giving in the front. It looks really good, so you don't need to pluck it any more than what it already is. But if you want to, if you're one of those ones that like it plucked a little more, I would definitely do so. But it is a nice wig overall. Again, I like the curls. It is giving 30 inches. This is giving vacation hair because it's so long, and take some pictures. But yeah, girl, I'll have this linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.